Hello friends, today we shall look at the most complicated blends in English. So what makes them so complicated? The combination of these blends typically make different sounds in different words. Learning about the different sounds that these blends make could save us from spelling problems. EW can make the U and OO sound. ED can make the T, D and ID sound. EY can make the E and A sound. EA can make the E, A and E sound. Come on friends, let us read some words and practice these sounds in them. EW making the long sound of U. Dew, few, new, view, new. EW making the OO sound. Brew, chew, flew, through, blue. ED with the T sound. Liked, worked, kissed, looked, dropped. It's not dropped, it's dropped. ED making the D sound. Closed, tried, loved, opened, rained. ED making the ID sound. Hated, tasted, ended, wanted, needed. EY making the long E sound. Key, honey, valley, jockey, pulley. EY making the long A sound. Obey, pray, they, convey, survey. EA making the long E sound. Beam, bean, bleat, beast, bleach. EA making the short E sound. Red, lead, head, health, bread. EA making the long A sound. Bear, pear, wear, break, great. Thanks for watching. Click on the playlist to watch my other videos on blends.